Hello everyone, I'm Rebecca, your insurance lady, and welcome to part 1 of this must-know vocabulary series for the Property and Casualty exam. Today, we're starting at the very beginning, the language of insurance. If you understand these 5 terms, you'll have a solid foundation to build everything else on. Let's get started. Risk. Risk is the uncertainty or chance of a loss occurring. Think of risk as what could go wrong. For example, when you drive to work, there's a chance you could get into an accident. When you own a house, there's a chance it could catch on fire or be broken into. That chance, that unknown, is what we call risk. Insurance exists to help us manage it. Risks equal uncertainty. Is wearing a seatbelt a risk? No, it's a safety measure. The risk is getting injured in an accident. The next word is hazard. Hazard is a condition or situation that increases the probability of an insured loss occurring. Hazards make losses more likely. There are 3 types. There's your physical hazard, your moral hazard, and your morale hazard. The physical hazard is like a faulty wiring in your house. The moral hazard is when someone lies on an application, an insurance application. The morale hazard is someone who leaves their car unlocked because insurance will pay for it if it got stolen. Now, imagine you leave candles burning near curtains. That's a hazard. A fire hasn't started yet, but the setup is dangerous. Hazards don't cause losses, they invite them. Is a wet floor a hazard or a peril? That's right, it's a hazard. It increases the chance of a slip, but doesn't cause the injury itself. A peril is the cause of a loss. For example, fire, theft, flood. This is the event that actually creates damage or loss. If a fire breaks out and damages your kitchen, the peril is fire. If a tree falls on your car, the peril is wind or falling objects. Think of peril as the trigger event, the reason you're filing the claim. Peril is equal to problem. Is vandalism a hazard or a peril? It's a peril. It's what caused the actual damage. Next is the loss. The loss is the unintentional decrease in the value of an asset due to a peril. If your TV is stolen, the loss is the value of the stolen TV. If your roof is damaged in a hailstorm, the loss is a cost to repair it. Insurance is designed to cover those losses, so you're not stuck footing the entire bill. Loss is equal to the damage done. If your car is scratched, but you don't fix it, is that a loss? Yes, because the value went down, even if you don't repair it. And word number 5 is exposure. Exposure is the state of being subject to a possible loss. Exposure is how at risk you are. If you own a home, a car, and a business, you have more exposure than someone who rents a small apartment. It's how the insurance company calculates how likely you are to file a claim and how much they should charge you. Exposure equals risk level. If you increase your deductible, does your exposure go up or down? exposure goes up because you're choosing to take on more risk before insurance kicks in. Now let's do a quick lightning round. Risk is the chance something bad happens. Hazard increases that chance. A peril, what actually causes the damage. The loss is the damage or cost itself, and exposure, how much you have to lose. These 5 terms show up over and over again, not just on the exam, but in real life insurance work. Here's a tip. Make some flashcards with real life example on the back. It'll help you remember these faster. That's it for part 1. Make sure to watch part 2, where we'll cover valuation terms like actual cash value and replacement costs. I'm Rebecca, your insurance lady, and you can pass this exam one word at a time.